Hey everyone! We're back with our new product that helps to squeeze even the unsqueezable. Yeah, that was my bag she grabbed.
Oh my god.
Introducing the upgraded 4D Pack Plus. Now featuring the internal organizer for the suitcase version. Just like the original version, they're crafted to triple your storage and luggage capacity. Plus, they still work great with our tiny yet powerful air pump. We've listened to your suggestions and are happy to present this new and improved version. Now, you can pack all your stuff and keep it perfectly organized. This version comes with smoother airtight zippers and upgraded valves. The new valves have a quick release function, so you don't need much force to pull the bag open. Here's the coolest part. The sectional organizer. It doesn't take up a lot of extra space or add much weight. We thoughtfully designed it to keep the airflow unobstructed for optimal compression. And guess what? These organizers are compatible with your original 4D pouches if you already have them. Now, every bag is like a mini wardrobe with special places for your small, medium, and large items. You can finally unclog your closet. And no more guessing what's packed where. Grab our rewritable tags and you'll spot that sweater you need in no time. It's also super handy for travel. Now, every single item in your luggage is always in place. With these pouches, you can fit more, and if you need something out, you know exactly where to find it. Just grab what you need and reseal when you're done. It's really that simple. And you wouldn't need to debate what to pack and what to leave behind. With these, you can bring it all without paying extra for luggage. Besides, the 4D organizer will keep your belongings in order anywhere you go. Need to stash some valuables? There's a secret pocket for that. Burglars will never know, unless they've watched this video. Plus, each organizer comes with a laundry sack. It's large enough and safe for the washing machine. If you choose the suitcase size, we suggest adding backpack-size pouches as well. They're perfect for keeping your dirty laundry separate, or as an enhancement to your carry-on luggage, backpack, or a gym bag. All 4D bags are smell-proof and waterproof, protecting your valuables from water damage. It's been a year since we launched the original 4D pack, and you're still using these? And maybe you're still traveling with a vacuum cleaner, huh? So, you want to break free?
I want to break free.
Please support our campaign. Break free from bulky luggage and clean up those messed up closets.